Hello friends, welcome to Technical Forex Trader channel. So today we shall talk about the best buy into option strategy of 2021. And as you can see that this is a Euro USD pair, and I have drawn these two moving average. The purple moving average is a period of 14, and the green moving average is a period of 7. As you can see that this is a 30 seconds chart. So I have choose the put option because the trend is downward and I saw the green candlestick, so I choose the put option here. So let's see where the trend goes. In my strategy, you just have to follow the trend. If you follow the trend, then you will win. Otherwise, you may lose this trade and you may lose your money. So you just have to follow the trend. If the trend is upward, then you have to choose the put option. Otherwise, you have to choose the call option, and if the trend is downward, then you have to place the put option. Okay, so as you can see that I am in profit and just 10 seconds are left. Okay, so I'm sure that I will win this trade. Okay, so I won the 0.99 dollar, so which is close to $1. Okay, so I have won this trade. You just have to follow the trend, and I just followed the trend and the trend was downward, so I just choose the put option. Okay, so you just have to wait for the right signal, and if you choose the right trade, then you will win this trade and then you can win this money. Okay, so let's subscribe this channel and like this video, and I will upload more videos. Okay, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.